Few years ago, every day was so same for me. I used to follow the same unproductive routine. Wake up, find my phone and just scroll through the Instagram for hours. And just didn't want to get out of the bed. I wasn't sad, but I wasn't happy either. My thoughts were so messy and I couldn't figure out what's chaining me. I was surviving, but definitely not leaving. And later, after a few days of doing the same thing every day, out of frustration, I just sat on my table with mobile miles away from me, just me, a pen, and a paper on the table. I sat for hours figuring out what's wrong, and after a few hours, I just drew a circle, simple circle. But that circle changed everything for me. How? So, welcome back, everyone. It's me, Shivan Patel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a circle. It will change your life. And no, it's not a fancy model or some guru theory. It's simple, and just grab a pen and paper and let's scroll. So, yeah, I hope you are ready with your pen and paper. Just draw a circle, a huge circle, and name it as circle of your life. So now, as you have drawn your circle, the circle of life, just divide that circle into three equal parts. The first one, the major part, the second, and the third below the first two parts. The first and the foremost part, which is our physical health or physical win, and the second part is known as the mental win, which is our mental health. And the third is financial win. Now, these three parts have been separated in an ordered way. Like we need to have a physical win first, and the second is our mental win, and third is the financial win. This is our prioritization list. You have to follow this priority list in your life to have a better living. Like you need to have physical well-being, mental well-being before your financial well-being. So yeah. And best part is why I call this a circle of life, because these three core physical, mental, and financial are interlinked to each other. If you have a physical well being, if you are physically well, you will be mentally confident. If you work out every day and your physique is really good, you will be mentally more confident. And if you are mentally more confident, you will make more money, you will earn more money, you have chances to make and multiply your money. And once you multiply your money, you will get more opportunities to grow yourself physically. So that's the reason I call this a circle of life. And therefore, these three main cores, which is physical win, a mental win, and a financial win, are interlinked to each other. And you have to follow this. First will be the physical win, second is the mental win, and third is our financial win. So yeah, let's discuss about it. First is the physical win, taking care of your health, energy, and body in a way that supports a strong and capable lifestyle. Yeah. So, as it states, you have to take care of yourself. You have to go to the gym. You have to eat well. You have to be physically strong. You have to hardcore yourself physically. Every day, you have to follow a physical routine. You go out for a walk or anything that helps you build physically stronger. Once you have followed your routine in physical way, you have got your first win of the day, which is physical win. Now, the second win, which is growing emotionally and intellectually, and you are able to handle stress, focus, and decision making well. Second win is our mental win. Now, once you encore yourself by applying some mental wins like reading the books, meditation, going out for a walk, or something that helps you build mentally, will help you win mentally, and you can follow that and enhance your skills, your mental ability, your mental well-being, decreasing your stress and mental fatigue, and growing yourself mentally will help you get your mental wins every day. So these two cores are the major cores, and you have to follow your physical win and mental win every day to grow yourself, to grow your health, to grow your living span. Or last but not least, which is financial win, which is making money, managing it well, or investing it smartly, moving towards financial freedom. Now, as I said, I have ordered these three cores in a way that we need physical and mental win before our financial win. So yeah, remember that you need to make money, you need to multiply your money, but your health, your mental health, your physical health is the main core to live a better life. So yeah, these were our three main wins that you need to practice every day. It is a physical win, a mental win, and a financial win. You need to follow these three wins every day. Now, financial win doesn't only include that you earn money. it is about working for the business, working for your job, your prior abilities, or enhancing your skills that will help you to grow financially in future or in near future. So it doesn't mean earning every day. It just means that you are working for your financial freedom. Now, physical win and mental win will also help you enhance your social living, which I also call as social win. So incorporating this mental and physical win will also help you gain some other skills like socializing, being confident, stepping up forward and talking about something that you want to. You'll be more confident enough, and you will see the progress, the tangible progress every day. And once you have completed these three routines every day, like going for a walk, reading a book, and working on your financial freedom, once you have completed your to-do list or your task for these three wins, reward yourself. It can be the things you want to do, a series you want to watch, a episode you want to watch, or tell your parents to unlock your phone that they only know the password for. So once you win every day, you make a progress every day, reward yourself so you don't lose yourself and just be inconsistent on it, because being consistent, you will see you will see a tangible progress after 6 months. So yeah, that's the reason I call this as circle of life, because once you will be physically well, mentally well, and financially well, you will see a lot of changes in your life. You will decrease your stress, you will be mentally well, you will be physically well, and you will see a huge change in your life. And that's the reason I call this a small circle, the circle of life. And this circle have helped me a lot. So yeah, this was the today's video, the circle of life, that I wanted to share my experience and my past with you, and how I have changed myself a lot. Yeah, incorporate this circle of life in your daily routine, and see yourself change it exponentially. So I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.